Welcome back, my friends. Okay, have you or do you ever attend any open houses? Okay, so attending open houses is one of the best ways that you could get a good feel for a property before making a big decision. Here's why it's so important in your home buying journey. Okay, number one, see the home in person. Photos can only tell so much. And at an open house, you get a good feel of the space, the layout, spot details that photos just cannot capture. Photos can be deceiving. Number two, ask questions directly. Open houses provide the perfect opportunity to speak with the listing agent and ask any questions you may have about the property, the neighborhood, or the market. They can provide valuable insight and help you make an informed decision. Okay, number three, get a sense of the neighborhood. While you're out touring the homes, take time to explore and the surrounding areas, check out the neighborhood vibe and the nearby amenities and the convenience of the locations between the schools, the parks, the shopping centers, the grocery store. It's important to know the location suits your lifestyle. Number four, compare homes. Open houses allow you to see multiple homes in a short amount of time. This gives you a chance to compare properties, side by side and get a better understanding of what you're getting for your budget and your likes and dislikes. Some of those you can remove off your check boxes. Okay, number five, gauge seller motivation. Visiting open houses can also help you assess the seller's motivation. If the home has been on the market for a while, then they may be more open to negotiating. This is a great opportunity to gauge potential for getting a good deal. Okay, if we haven't met yet, I'm Annette Marble. This is Mo. I'm with Key Real Estate Agency, and I am obsessed with where I live and helping you make this your best place to feel like home. Follow along for all things home, local, and fun, and please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And whether this is the first time or you're a first-time buyer and experienced homeowner, attending an open house is a smart move, and there's no pressure. It's a great way to explore homes and learn more about the market. So just be sure to keep me in the loop so I can visit the homes with you. I do the heavy lifting and ask all the important questions, but having you attend an open house, that is great because that way you get a good feel of the home. When's the last time you visited an open house? Comment in the comments below. And did you find it most helpful? Let me know about that as well. And as always, we're in and around Central Ohio and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.